How to download Minecraft on PC. So this is a very easy tutorial. All you have to do is to go to any web browser and then kindly type minecraft.net. Tap this one and then it will take you to this page. And what you're going to do here is to simply scroll down to know more about Minecraft and to see more instructions on how to download this one. So if you scroll down here, you can see here news, you can see here any updates about this game. Okay, so if you want to get Minecraft, you just have to tap this green button here. It says get Minecraft. Tap this one. And then after that, you just have to select a version here. Okay, so we have two options. So for this time, I'll just tap this second one here. And then once done, all you have to do is to click checkout. But before that, you can also scroll down here to see some highlights, system requirements, and so on about Minecraft. Okay, so let's go back to tap checkout here. So most of the cases, they will ask you to sign in first to your Microsoft account. And if you don't have one, then you can also sign up for free. So let me type sign in because I have my Microsoft account already. Okay. And what you're going to do is simply log in your email address and also your password. So to proceed, you have to tap next and then select debit card or credit card or PayPal as your payment method. Okay. Provide the details and then after that, you will purchase this Minecraft. So actually, this is what it looks like. But of course, you can't get the games here. I mean, you cannot easily get these functions here or unlock these functions or features here if you don't purchase Minecraft. As easy as that. So you have to purchase and buy this one first. Thank you for watching this, and I hope to see you in our next video tutorials.